Ludhiana West Bipole, as Bharat Bhushan Ashu is being considered as the main competition to Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora. How you see this competition?
I think this is one-sided contest. Opposition party, this is their duty to target the ruling party. It's their duty. We don't mind it, but the matter of fact is the people will reply in the election. You will not find any nation, any state who has taken on the drugs head on. Our government, I'm thankful to the government, I'm thankful to the Kejriwal ji and Sardar Bhagwant Singh Maan ji because they have taken this drug menace head on. Leela Panja is going on, JCB is doing his work. So people are afraid. Actually, this drug menace is a deep-rooted, this is disease. We are working on all fronts. I'm confident that in 2027 we will form the government.
Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Mere 5 days are left for Ludhiana West Bipole, and every party is making every effort to convince voters they are leaving no stone unturned. So today we are having with us senior AAP leader as well as a Lok Sabha MP Dr. Rajkumar Chabbewal ji. Rajkumar Chabbewal ji, today you are here in Ludhiana. You have inducted a Congress councillor Baljinder Bunty into Aam Aadmi Party. How you say this?
Baljinder Bunty is a very young and dynamic leader, and he's in the Congress for the last 3 decades. And I think he has contested the election 3 times, and he's been very good, and he has great influence in the society. So with his joining, I think our party is strengthened with him. So we will definitely perform much better than before in his ward because earlier Kapil Sonu is there, he's councillor, and he had contested with him. So he came second at that time. So with his joining, our strength has gone doubled. So with this, we are going to get benefit in that ward also. And above that, Bunty is a very influential guy. He has very good links in society. He is influential. So with his joining, with his induction, we are definitely getting overall benefit in the whole West constituency.
So, what you think about Ludhiana West Bipole, as Bharat Bhushan Ashu is being considered as the main competition to Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora. How you see this competition? How you see this entire Bipole?
Sanjeev Arora is altogether a different personality. In fact, I must say that he is a very good human being. He is very decent, and his behavior with the people is, very cordial. So with his behavior and all, people like him so much. And in his this 2.5 months period, he has performed so well that the works which were not being done in the last 75 years, he has done all those works, and people are very happy with his performance. Being Rajya Sabha MP, even he did very well. He did so many works in medical, education, industry, in all departments. He performed very well. So people like him so much. So with the because he is a candidate, as a candidate, when we inquire from the people, when we see the constituency, I think this is one-sided contest. So he is holding very good position, and he will win with the huge margin.
And opposition parties, they are targeting Aam Aadmi Party over that. They are saying that no work has been done in past 3 years. Now they are targeting Aam Aadmi Party over land pooling scheme. How you see this?
See, this is the actually opposition party. This is their duty to target the ruling party. It's their duty. We don't mind it, but the matter of fact is the people will reply in the election on 19th of this month. So as far as the land pooling policy is concerned, this policy is the best policy in the nation. So people are going to get benefited. Farmers are going to get lot of benefit. So I think this is the best one. In fact, the opposition is, they are not, if they will guide the people that this is the good thing, so then they will be derailed. So obviously they will oppose it. So actually this is a very good one. Even Akalis, many years back, they had tried to bring this policy, which they failed. But with this will be successful because of the determination, because of the vision of the party. So this is going to be the this is going to be the unique policy in the decisions.
Drug menace is considered as the main issue in Punjab, and Aam Aadmi Party has even launched Yudh Nasha Varod. However, BJP is saying that nothing is being done on the ground, and even they said that 31st May, which was declared as the final date, that after this there will be no drug in supply in the state. They said that the now date is also crossed, and but still there is drug menace in the state.
See, if you see the history of the world, you will not find any nation, any state who has taken on the drugs head on. Our government, I'm thankful to the government, I'm thankful to the Kejriwal ji and Sardar Bhagwant Singh Maan ji, because they have taken this drug menace head on. And they have launched this, they have launched scathing attack on this Yudh Nasha Virodh. So I think 100, 405 days have gone, and in these many days, government is trying, and I think more than 19,000 smugglers, more than 17,000 smugglers, they are behind the bars. And a lot of crores of the drug money has been recovered. So that Pila Panja is going on, JCB is doing his work. So people are afraid. Actually, this drug menace is a deep-rooted, this is disease which is there in the for the last so many decades after independence. So this will take time. Of course, lot of control has happened. People are afraid. The sellers, the drug sellers who used to sell the drugs without any fear, now they are quite afraid. So we will be definitely successful in this. In fact, as far as you talked about the BJP, my suggestion is that BJP or other parties, they should support the Aam Aadmi Party in this noble cause, because nobody has ever launched this type of campaign. If they will support us, I think nothing can stop it. But on our own, we are doing it. We will be successful. We will do it. So because our youth is lot of affected with this drugs, so if it will be, if we will be successful, which is quite certain. So future of our youth will be bright. They will not go abroad. So BJP, they should not, I think, indict us on this issue. In fact, they should tell us in which state they have launched this Yudh Nasha Virodh or any attack on the drugs. They should tell us. This is the only one state in the whole India, I think, which we have launched this attack, Yudh Nasha Virodh. So they should tell us first.
One last question: as Aam Aadmi Party is left with 1.5 year, you are preparing for 2027 assembly elections as well. Now, in 1.5 year, what are your further plans? How you are going to address other issues, including increasing crime, irregular power supply, even drugs? What are your further plans?
See, the government is working, first of all, on education sector. Our government is working. Sikhya Kranti is working very nicely. And drugs, as I have told you, we are doing very good in this on this issue. So education, health, even in health, I think in the last budget, CM was telling that CM health card will be issued. Aam Aadmi clinics are already there. When CM health card will be issued, I think 10 lakhs cover will be given to every family. 65 lakhs families are there. So 10 lakhs cover will be given to everybody. Lot of employment has been given. So as far as electricity is concerned, we have done this great work in electricity. You see, 90%, more than 90% of the families, they are getting the zero bill. People are happy about it because in the era of inflation, they are getting big relief out of it. So power supply will be, if there is some problem at this moment, sometimes the problem is there because this will be, we will set it right. So there are so many issues like employment. On employment, we are doing very good, very good. Almost 55,000 employment has been given to the youth. So we are working on all fronts. We are, I'm confident that 2027 we will form the government. I'm confident.
Thank you so much, sir. So So he is Dr. Rajkumar Chabbewal, Lok Sabha MP and a senior Aam Aadmi Party leader. So he expressed that Aam Aadmi Party has done much in past 3 years and also highlighted his further plan for the next 1.5 years, and he is confident that not only in this by-election but in 2027 assembly election also Aam Aadmi Party will secure major victory. So you're watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.